At UPM Additive Solutions, we are a global supply chain provider that focuses on conventional manufacturing, specifically subtractive, to provide tooling and consumables to the additive industry. We use subtractive manufacturing to produce build plates and recoater blades in various alloys, whether to OEM specs or to your unique additive needs. We also offer the full supply chain solution services such as heat treatment all the way through to testing of the part itself and everything in between.
Yeah, what we're most excited about this year is our new product service offerings. Since we started this branch of United Performance Metals, we started with new and refurbished build plates. Since then, we've been able to add powder supply, feedstock supply options, and even post-print processing.
Our customers really benefit from our services because we manage the entire process but the print. This allows them to focus on their value add, and that is designing exceptional parts, printing them, and scaling their production while we do the rest.
Please don't hesitate to reach out. We're excited to collaborate with you and see what solutions we can find to your supply chain problems.